कम टाइम में अपनी लाइफ में ज्यादा वैल्यू ऐड करने के लिए हमारे इसी YouTube चैनल का क्लिप्स सेक्शन आज ही चेक कीजिए।
It's all about teeth. Presenting to you India's most famous dentist with Dr. Karthik Dinoja, powered by Karthik Athos.
So far.
Any points for patients to make them aware that histology is as important as getting diagnosed by clinician itself? वो expect करते हैं कि सिर्फ इन्होंने देख लिया तो वो रिपोर्ट्स करवाने का बोल रहे हैं, अभी उसकी क्या जरूरत है?
See, histology is the gold standard of diagnosis. Right? So, yes, if the lesion is aggressive, if you can see the lesion, you should definitely go for histology. But a newer thing I would say is that you can also actually, filter patients who actually need a biopsy by doing a DNA ploidy test.
Okay.
Because in the DNA ploidy test, it will tell you, do you need a biopsy or not?
Or not, yes.
The issue is in Indian society, when you tell the patient do a biopsy, he's very scared.
Exactly.
He's scared of the scalpel. He's scared of the blood.
Yes.
It's a surgical procedure. It's sutures. It's a post-operative healing that he has to, go through.
Painful.
So he is scared. He is very, very scared. So how can you make sure that the patient definitely gets tested and investigated? So, and not all red or white patches or leukoplakias or oral lichen planus will turn into a malignancy.
Right.
But they do have a malignant potential. So we need to know what is the status.
Okay.
So we can filter these by doing a DNA ploidy test. And if that report suggests that you need a biopsy, you can put the patient through the procedure. Okay. And the purpose of both tests is entirely different.
Okay.
DNA ploidy is an early diagnostic test.
Okay.
And it tells you the potential of whether it can turn into a dysplasia or it's inflammatory or it is malignant. But a biopsy is histology and it will tell you what kind of tumor is it. Is it well-differentiated squamous cell carcinoma? Is it a basal cell carcinoma?
Right.
Is it a malignant melanoma? And why is that important? It is important from the treatment aspect. Okay, so basal cell carcinomas are usually indolent. They develop over a long period of time and they're not as aggressive as squamous cell carcinomas or malignant melanomas. Right? Differentiation is important because if it's well differentiated, moderately differentiated or poorly differentiated, because then the doctor can decide if the patient needs a radiation therapy or needs a chemotherapy for that matter. So histology remains the gold standard for diagnosis and it's very important. But also we could try non-invasive approaches first, wherein you can filter out if the patient needs a biopsy or not. Advantages I will also tell you of doing a brush cytology is that you can take the entire area of lesion. You can scrape the entire area. Biopsy with a 3 to 4 centimeter lesion, you are only taking 5 millimeters. Right? So there is still an error or a chance of a sampling error. And the British Dental Journal states that is as high as 60%.
Which is not at all acceptable.
No, it's a huge, it is absolutely not acceptable.
Not acceptable.
Yes.
We should not be ignoring such facts. Okay.